Good morning, dear students. Myself, Narayana Das. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic recent management thinkers, Elton Mayo and Michael E. Porter. The subjects which I am going to discuss is principles of management relating to the course BBM. Michael E. Porter. About the Michael E. Porter, is a professor of strategy management at Harvard Business School in USA. He has written 16 books and more than 100 research papers. Competitive strategies in 1980 and the cases in competitive strategies in 1982 are the books he wrote. And he also wrote Competitive Advantages, Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance in 1985, The Competitive Advantages of Nation during 1990. His contributions towards the management is talking on value chain analysis. Value chain is the chain of activities which as organizations needs to undertake to create value for the customers. Because customer is the king of the market, emphasis will be given to delighting the customers by creating a product and services so as to meet the requirements, desires and needs. He has segregated the activities of the business into primary and secondary activities. Primary activities in that inbound logistics, or the basic input of raw materials management, operations of processing, either it could be manufacturing of product or services. Outbound logistics takes into consideration of distribution of goods and services, marketing activities of sales and sales also, and sale after services. These are the primary activities of the business. And he is going to discuss about he is talking on the secondary activities, firms infrastructures. Firms infrastructures also contribute to organizational developments. Infrastructures about the organizations and quality of human resources existence also matters. In addition to which, advancement of technology which will be replicated on the product and procurement of services. So these two areas is concentrated. In addition to which, one more management thinker is Elton Mayo. Uh, Elton Mayo was born in 1880 in Adelaide, Australia, working as a lecturer at the University of Queensland. He is regarded as the founder and father of modern sociological and psychological industrial research. He has come up with an article published Democracy and Freedom in 1919. He wrote books called The Human Problems of Industrial Civilization during 1945 and also Social Problems of Industrial Civilization in 1945. So he has conducted experiments along with his associates Elton Mayo, along with R. Whitehead, Dickinson's and others. So Hawthorne experiments, if you wanted to elaborate it, Hawthorne plant was a manufacturing telephone system, Bell. Over 30,000 employees worked during these experiments. It is for to find out the behavior and attitudes of the employees. Hawthorne experiments as conducted in four phases. Number one, elimination experiments. Number two, relay assembly test room experiments. Three, mass interviewing program. And fourth one, bank wiring observations room experiments. I'll repeat: elimination experiments, relay assembly test room experiments, mass interviewing program, bank wiring observations room experiments. So let's go one by one. What is elimination experiments? These experiments which is conducted during period between 1924 to 1927. The basic assumption is that effect of changes in lighting conditions determines the productivity. The experimentation conducted in 2.5 years, experiments reveal that there is no relationship between the lighting and productivity. And the second one, experiment called relay assembly test room experiments during 1927 to 1928. Basic assumption is to determine the effect of changes in working conditions and productivity. So relay assembly test room experiments were conducted to determine the effect of changes in working conditions, and these experiments has been conducted in three stages. First, relay assembly test, second relay assembly groups, third one is the mica splitting groups. So under these experiments, the group consists of girls. The girls were chosen on the basis of past performance. The girls were placed in a separate test room. An observer was associated with the girls to supervise work. The girls were told to work in natural way and allowed to comment freely about changes in working conditions. So the changes were made during the durations ranging from 4 to 12 weeks. Whenever a changes was introduced, the girls were allowed to express their views and opinions. At times, the girls were allowed to take decisions themselves. In between, free snacks and coffee or soups were provided. So Elton Mayo concluding that the work satisfaction depends upon a large extent on the informal social pattern of the work group. So, where norms of cooperativeness and high output are established, the feelings of importance and physical conditions are observed, where the physical conditions have a little impact on it. And the third experimentation is mass interviewing program. The basic assumption is that interviews conducted to determine employees' attitudes towards the company. In this interview program, nearly attitudes towards the company, supervision, insurance plans, and promotions and wages were analyzed. So, to determine the employee attitudes towards the company, towards the supervision and insurance plans were observed. Initially, the interviews were more or less structured. Only direct questions were asked by the researchers. So the researchers were not able to extract the grassroots of the problems. Hence, interview method was changed by asking non-direct or unstructured interviews. According to Elton Mayo, the workers were activated by logic of sentiment, but the management is concerned with logic of cost and efficiency. So, thus a conflict between the workers and management become inevitable. So, in the direct and interviews were conducted, emphasis will be given on employees. Workers were activated by logic sentiments, and the management is concerned with logic of cost and efficiency. And the last, the bank wiring observations were conducted during the period of 1931 to 32, where groups were made of 14 male workers, 9 wiremen, 3 soldiers, and 2 inspectors. So the main of this experiment is to analyze how group could influence a worker to restrict his output, even in the face of attractive incentive schemes for a larger extent. So the band wiring observations, room experiments help to arrive the following conclusions. An informal relationship is responsible for deciding the behavior. So that means an informal relationship is always be there to understand the human behavior. The counseling was helpful in resolving management employee conflicts. The existence of informal organizations is quite common in all the firms. The group had fixed standards of output for their own only because of social pressure. So the outcome or the output could not increase despite group incentive schemes as a result of existence of social change. So the findings of Hawthorne experiments is there will be a social factors and the group influence, the productivity level, and the motivation factors, in addition to which no, which has got an impact. In addition to that, influence on behaviors of workers prefer cordial relationship among the co-workers. Workers do prefer have a good relationship among the co-workers, and there will be a pro-management bias. So there will be a threat also. Research includes a lack of universal applications and undue importance to the workers, which undue importance to the workers' satisfactions, and there is no scientific inquiry. So we can evaluate the Hawthorne experiments. Research outcome will be no management can succeed without considering the human interest. So the success of any organization depend upon the consideration of human element. So with this we can conclude for the sessions. Before concluding, I would like to remark on the references. Students, you can refer the textbooks written by C.B. Gupta, Management Theory and Practices, and also T. Ramaswamy, Principles of Management, Himalaya Publishing House, 2014 editions. For enhancing, it will enhance, enrich your knowledge on these subjects. So I can conclude by quickly recapping. So we have covered Elton Mayo theory by Elton Mayo, and also Hawthorne experiments. So thank you for giving an opportunity. Thank you, dear students.